on, guys? It's your boy Just This, or you can call me Just. And today's video, we're gonna be cleaning the GTI. Before we start the video off, how are all my riders doing? How are all my riders doing? Let me know in the comments below how everyone's doing. Um, just want to let you guys know that I love every single one of you guys that watch my videos. And yeah, this is just gonna be a cleaning video. Let's get right into it. Well, we're done, guys.
With the smoke, there's no debate. I don't got a vibe, I can't replace.
Let me show you guys. Still a little wet, but it is what it is. You guys like that video? Let me know. I kind of, not gonna lie, kind of was being lazy. Kind of just wanted to wash the car off. But if you guys want to see a better video, like of me actually like wiping it down myself, um, putting some hot wax, spray wax on my car, etc. I'll show everything, man. You guys let me know in the comments below. This just was a quick little video just to post on YouTube. And again, to all my writers, I love you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me for more content, and I will post some more content. Thank you guys again. Peace. It's been love.